Hi friends! Maya and Rafi are at the bakery buying some desserts, but they are facing a problem. Let's find out what the problem is and try to help them.
Hi friends, I'm Maya and this is my brother Rafi.
We are so excited because today our friends are coming over.
We invited 10 friends over. We want to get some sweets to serve them.
There are eclairs, cookies, donuts, and cupcakes here in the bakery. What should we get?
We need to choose something that would be enough for everyone.
Can you help us choose which type of sweets to get?
Did you help Maya and Rafi choose which sweets to get for their friends? They've invited 10 friends over and want to serve them sweets. They had to count each kind of sweets to get the ones that had enough for everyone. Did you count the cookies, the donuts, cupcakes, and eclairs? You know, when we count items in our minds, we use different strategies. What strategies did you use? You might have estimated by looking at the cookies, for example. You noticed that they look like they are less than 10. You knew that they weren't enough without actually counting them one by one. You might have counted in twos. There were 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 donuts in total. Sometimes it is just faster to count every 2 items at a time. There were 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 cupcakes in total. I'm counting in twos. Or maybe you counted the items in only one row and then you double the number. There were 4 eclairs in each row, so double the 4 is 8 eclairs in total. So which item should they get? They can't get the eclairs or cookies because there isn't enough for everyone. They also can't buy the donuts. There isn't enough. There are 10 donuts and 10 friends. But if we add Maya and Rafi, the hosts, then they are 12 people in total. They should buy the 12 cupcakes. There'll be enough for everyone. Was your guess a correct one? Watch this math episode of Madrasati and let's learn how to count in twos, in threes, and so on. I live on the first floor in our building. We have to walk 2 stairways like this one to reach our house. Let's double the stairway. How many steps do we need to walk to reach our home? Each stairway contains 8 steps. So we walk 8 steps twice. 8 plus 8 is 16. Our neighbors who live on the 2nd floor have to walk double the steps, double the 16. How many steps would that be? Let's now talk about doubles. Imagine I baked 5 cookies, and my friend baked double as much as I baked. How many cookies did she bake? Let's double the 5. I will add another 5. Now we have a 10. When we double, we either add the same number twice, 5 plus 5 is 10, or we multiply this number with 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. Let's add another 10 cookies. So 10, 11, 12, 13, we are doubling the 10. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cookies. Now that we know what a double is, let's find out whether you know the basic doubles. There are 2 cookies over here. What's double the 2? 4. What's double the 4? 8. That's correct. What's double the 8? Let's add another 8. How many are these? It's 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. Finding the double of a number means adding this number to itself, which also means multiplying it by 2. What's double the 3? 6. What's double the 6? 12. Good job. What's double the 12? Do you know this one? It's 24. Number 24 always reminds me of the hours in a day. If I tell you, see you in 24 hours, this means I'll see you the next day. How many hours are there in 2 days? Let's double the 24. This is either 24 times 2 or 24 plus 24. The answer is 48. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 48 hours refer to 2 days. These guys are having a small party at home. For snacks, they're going to prepare 2 sandwiches for each person. So how many sandwiches should they prepare in all? So 2 sandwiches for the first, 2 sandwiches for the second, 2 for the third, and 2 for the fourth. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. We count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8 sandwiches in total. Notice the word times, which refers to multiplication. I'm adding 2 4 times. So 2 times 4. We can replace this long addition sentence with a simple multiplication sentence. They also need to prepare fruit smoothies. They need 6 strawberries and 1 banana for each. So how many strawberries do they need in all? 6 strawberries, 4 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 6 times 4. Count in sixes. 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Multiplication is just a shortcut for adding the same number several times. Mom made 7 apple pies. She used 2 apples per pie. Can you guess the total number of apples used? We can think of each pie being a group. We have 7 groups of 2, meaning 7 times 2. Let's count in twos 7 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 apples in total. 2 times 7 is 14. 7 groups of 2 means there are 2 apples in each of the 7 groups. 7 groups of 3 means there are 3 apples in each of the 7 pies. 3 times 7. Now we are counting in threes 7 times. Ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 apples in total. 3 times 7 is 21. So to recap, we know the answer to a multiplication sentence by counting the total number of items. Here we have 3 cookies in the first row. How many times are they repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. What's 3 times 6? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 cookies in all. Like addition, in multiplication, we find the total number of items. In fact, we multiply by adding the same number several times. 6 cookies plus 6 plus 6 is the same as saying 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. We also think of multiplication as items in groups. Here we have 3 packs of 6 cookies, 3 groups of 6. What if we had a lot of cookies, like 9 packs of cookies, 9 times 6? It takes us more time to count the cookies one by one to know 9 times 6. But don't worry, I am going to help you. Stay tuned, because in the coming math episodes, we will look at various multiplication patterns and tricks that will help us multiply in an easier and a faster manner. See you next time. Bye.
لمشاهدة المزيد من الحلقات زوروا سات 7 بلس.